How hot you are?
At least 100.
100? 100. Straight in the head. Oh man, you're a cool 83, baby.
Oh.
How about you, young man? How hot are you? Let me shoot you. Wow, you're 79 degrees, man.
I am hot in this right here.
Yeah? Are you hot? Let me shoot your little forehead. 102. Holy smoke, you better tell your mom you're running fever. All right, see you, John. So, I've got a panel here, all right, and then we have a wood stove. I got a heat gun. Let's see what we got.
Hey, what about a mic?
They can hear it. I didn't bring a mic on.
Okay.
Wait a minute. You don't? Nope. I don't have. Let me see if I got my stuff. We've been so busy. Hey, plug that in the end of it. Let me turn my mic on. Hope my mic's on.
See you.
There we go. All right, we're good. We still on? All right.
Yep.
And then that little purple light.
Yeah, it says A is blue, purple, whatever.
Yep. Perfect. All right, so we're on. Let me get my microphone so you guys can hear me. I want to do a quick little video on the heat. People have been talking about the heat. I've done this. Man and I did a video, about a year ago on this panel. I got the wood stove fired up pretty good. This has been sitting here. I think I started, 15 minutes ago. Yeah, so it's been sitting there about 15 minutes. Yeah. So we even laid the panel on top of the stove. It got a little brown, but it didn't catch fire. So I'm going to take this, Tom, we'll get the video showing the heat, right? Yeah. So let's shoot this. As you guys can see, it's 78 degrees. And as I move down, it gets a little bit warmer because we had this thing laying right on top of the stove. So it's 91. Now I'm going to take and I'm going to shoot the stove. The stove.
470.
470, 480. If I go a little bit more, it'll go to 500. Mm-hmm. If I go in the center where it's going out the pipe, it actually went off the charts at 600. Yep. There's 600 degrees. So that thing's 600 degrees, and show them how far we are away from that stove, Tom.
Yep.
Right here. I can't put my hand on that thing. And we've been kind of putting it a little bit closer and closer. So you're looking at, 15 minutes already. That hasn't transferred through. The only reason that's warm is we had it actually laying on this wood stove. Yeah, it was smoldering. We had some people, kind of concerned about, our wood stove going out that right there. And you guys can see we got the foam and we got it chipped away. But we also have a double wall pipe, triple wall pipe, actually going through the wall to prevent any kind of fire hazard. And then we took the foam, we took this right here, laid it on top of this, and of course, it's going to
at 600 degrees.
600 degrees, all right? So that's laying right directly on the stove. We're gonna look into the fire prevention on this. This is, I would just say it's fire resistant. If you got steel on this.
But having the foam in between two steel panels, there's no air, right? So how could it ever flame up?
Yeah. Yeah. We need to burn a house down. Yeah. We need to do our own engineering of these things. So you see it's getting brown. This is 600 degrees. Yeah, we've got them cooking more than 600. I backed this off because it's getting late. Everybody's heading home. But I want to do a quick video for you guys just to show you the R value in this foam panel and how it transfers heat. So this is super warm. I can't keep my hand on the back of that. All right. So I tell you what I'll do. Let me shoot. This is 80 degrees. All right. And let's shoot the back of the panel and see what it measures out.
Wow. 240.
240, 300.
Man.
300 degrees right there where it was warm, right? It's still 300 degrees. And I'm going to come over here and it's going to go back down. This gun's kind of getting old. We know we need a battery in it. But it was 91 degrees. It's going down now.
It'll trickle on down.
Yep. It was about 91 degrees. So see it going down?
So it's just, it's less than what our bodies are.
Yeah.
98 degrees.
Exactly. Yeah. And it's been there now about 20 minutes. Super hot. We can leave this again and we'll come back. But we're going to continue doing some of our own research for you guys just to show you how well these panels are and how insulated they are. And, And I'm not an engineer, but you would think if it was that cold, right, on the outside, it wouldn't affect it any more than the heat would affect it, the transfer of heat. So
what is a sun beating on the side of your house?
yeah. So
Max.
yeah, I did it on our black house, on mine right there, my box, and it's black.
Yeah.
It was 114 degrees.
Okay.
And I went inside with an air conditioner and it was 66 degrees.
Yeah, so that's 300. On the backside, it'll probably go
90.
under 90.
Yeah,
So, I mean, typically.
yeah, it's 84 degrees right there, 83.
You're not going to get 300 on your house, even in the desert.
Yeah, even in the desert.
So.
300 degrees.
Yeah.
And it's been in here for about 20 minutes. I don't think it's going to get any more warmer than it is right here, especially with this air on the outside hitting it. In here, we're probably about, what, 60 degrees?
At least, yeah.
If I shoot the wall is 74 degrees up there.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's 74 degrees inside this barn,
Yeah.
this building. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah. With no central heater, I think. Just
Nothing.
a little wood
We've
stove
got
here and
2 or 3 wood stoves in here, and you wouldn't believe the difference from outside to inside in
there.
here.
Because we have an inch
Spray
and a half
foam.
of spray foam.
Everywhere. See, I mean, this was a financial feat doing this thing in here. It was amazing. All right, everybody, hope this video helps you. We're going to be doing some more technical videos as we go on, just to give you some tidbits about our incredible boxes that we're building, the Incredibox. And we're on the line with our 20-footers right now. We'll be done with our 20-footers for the Grove this week. Next week, we're going to be doing our 10 by 20s. We got 13 of those to build, and then we do our 12 by 20s for the Grove. Our timeline is Christmas. We're going to have them all built. So stay tuned. We're going to bring you a play-by-play video every day to show you our progress and some other cool technical aspects to what we do here. All right. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you tell everybody about Incredibox. We're at 850 Industrial Road, Tennessee, Newport.